With many years of experience reading your comments on this channel, I have to confirm that viewers are probably not only fascinated by technical and its hand tools, but also the species of woods. Choice of timber involves selecting the wood species appropriate for the object to be manufactured, as well as judging the quality of that timber. Besides that, from the selection of the log to the completion of the artifact, a series of work processes have to be carried out. These steps, each of which requires the highest degree of craftsmanship, jointly determine the final outcome of the piece. However much of a routine some of these processes may become, the artisan will still exercise deep reflection and careful judgment by habits acquired after numerous years of practice. The choice of an appropriate wood species for an artifact determines that object's durability, as well as its special features and characteristics. Each woodworking field has at its disposal a range of wood species, each of which fulfills specific technical, economic, aesthetic, and symbolic criteria. Local hardwoods are generally used in the field of turning. According to Turner Ogura Masami, softwoods are too soft and light, they are more suitable for architecture. They hardly have any luster or other visual value. Ogura considers the following hardwoods suitable for making turning: Japanese zelkova, Castor aralia, Manchurian ash, white birch, giant dogwood, Japanese beech, painted maple, Japanese walnut. Japanese zelkova is the wood most preferred by turners, not only by Ogura but also by all the other turners interviewed. Although warps easily, they refer to its expressive grain and to the luster the wood acquires after having been lacquered or polished. In the sashimono field, aesthetic criteria play an important role in wood selection, as most of these objects are used in cultural and artistic settings, the tea ceremony in particular. This is especially true for the members of the present guild of Kyoto-style fine cabinet making, Kuo Sashimono. Edo sasimono, or Edo-style fine cabinet making, developed in Edo, present-day Tokuo, at the beginning of the Edo period. The wood species mainly used in this field are Japanese zelkova, maple, Japanese raisin tree, paulownia, and island mulberry. The latter, which comes from the islands of Miyawaki and Mikura, has a particularly vivid grain. In this context, Osaka Karaki sashimono and Karaki, so-called chinawood, should be mentioned as well. Here, the main criteria governing wood selection are of a socio-historical nature. In this field only wood imported from Southeast Asia is used: Indian rosewood, ebony, and pedag. Woodworkers such as Miyawashita Kenyuro do not use any Japanese wood. The leading criteria governing wood selection for the manufacture of everyday objects such as tansu, chests, are mainly of a technical or economic nature. The two major wood species used for making chests are Japanese zelkova, a solid hardwood with an expressive grain, and paulownia, light wood with a simple grain. Paulownia as a material has been very popular with the Japanese. Paulownia wood varies little in terms of expanding and contracting or of cracking, and its light, soft texture makes it easy to work with. It reacts sensitively to temperature increases by swelling and thus protects its contents from exterior heat. Moreover, this wood has a relatively high combustion point and therefore does not easily catch on fire. The fact that a type of small plain paulownia container had come to be used for the storage of valuables such as paintings, written documents, and antiques even before the popularization of the plain wood paulownia tansu points to the durable nature of this wood, and suggests that it was used for its white color, which gave an impression of dignified nobility.